la la. Stacy D and D. Stacy and Daisy and Zach and the Angeles. It does it. He ran he fast from it. Stacy and Daisy. Stacy D and D. Stacy D and D. Stacy D. La 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 la. Stacy D and D. He smiled as he burst it out. And the answer is no answer. The roller coaster and he turned it in. The answer is number one. Stacy D and E, Stacy D, Stacy D and E, oh Stacy, la 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 la, Stacy D and E, ha 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 ha. Zigzag, can it? Achoo! Hey, what's up with Stacy? You heard sneezes. They still had the guts. You were hanging upside down. See? Now we get to blow up. Achoo! Here you go. It didn't work. You're inflated. Hey, Stacy, why did you do inflation? Because, well, you're made inflated. Oh, hi, Styra. Of course, buried the PCs to be inflated. Hey, Stacy. You heard the hiccups or sneezes. What do you mean? Inflation. Oh, hi, Dara. What you doing, inflated? You are inflated. Okay, come over here to show you the inflation. I had something to prize for you. It's a surprise for you. Hey, us days are gone. Look, your hiccups are, they're sneezes. Yeah, no sneezes. Already. You are. Stacey, yeah, feels better. Yeah. Okay, that's all, folks.